I'm John Alder for DIYPhotography.net. We're still here at the photography show, and I'm here with Mark Baber, the technical marketing manager for Sony, and we're going to talk about the A7III. So hi Mark, how you doing?
Hey, brilliant, great to see you.
Had a good show?
Oh, incredible.
So first things first, what on earth does technical marketing manager mean?
Okay, well I'm the guy that organises, creates the consumer events through our UK photo channel.
Right.
So being the retailers, so workshops, seminars, trade shows. We did over 200 events last year.
Wow.
And we're hoping to do the same in the new financial year that kicks off in a few weeks' time.
Fantastic. So you've got the new A7III in your hands?
Yeah, absolutely.
So tell us about some of the features and how it's upgraded from the A7 II.
It's recently been announced. This week we've had the first chance to sell it at the, through our retailers, but also at the photography show. It's been our hero product of the last few days. Basically what that means is everyone's been asking for it. It makes it very, very difficult for us when we're trying to talk through the range because it's so high spec that actually as a basic model, it does more for your buck than you would ever imagine. So lots of people are interested in the new sensor, the new output, the speed, the accuracy, the autofocus from the A9, which is our high-end kind of sports, wildlife, commercial camera that shoots 20 frames a second. This shoots 10 frames a second, but you still have the same algorithms, the way it focuses as the A9, so it's lightning fast, it locks on, the calculations it makes are just incredible. And when we do all the demos with the consumers, the visitors that are here, it wows people, it wows ourselves because the technology is just fantastic.
Yeah, so what are the video capabilities like on this one now?
Well, it's a good question you say that because as it being a stills camera, and I think a lot of people use the word hybrid where you've got the crossover obviously between video and stills, it's quite a powerful filmmaker's camera as well. So you've got hybrid log gamma, which is kind of the new standard of the creative side of filmmaking. You've got millions of colors, you've got log profiles so you can grade. You've now got slow and quick menus, so you can do slow-mo, time-lapse, although it's not time-lapse, but you can slow the frame, put the frames down to 1 frame a second, etc., so you can do it in the camera. But overall, the output is, you've got 4K, you've got 6K output without any pixel binning, so it's phenomenal what you get for a basic camera.
Yeah. And one of the big things that I know a lot of wedding photographers are very happy about with the A7III is that it's finally got dual card slots.
Yeah, and I think in the last year, don't quote me on that, but there's a lot of camera manufacturers that have added dual slots, or certainly mirrorless manufacturers that have added dual slots to improve the photographer's workflow. So RAW, JPEG, proxy recording, 4K, and then a lower res file. So, whoever's using this camera...
so it'll create proxy video files in camera?
Yeah, so
wow.
If, it kind of caters for nearly everybody. So it's just that reassurance that you've got something to back up in the camera. There's nothing wrong with obviously a single SD card, but it'll take the latest fast cards as well. So the buffer time on here is really, really fast. I mean, the A9 buffers ridiculous speeds, but taking similar algorithms again into the camera, it buffers really, really well. So, you can continuously shoot with the confidence that, it's going to go to the card really, really, really quickly. But again, you need to use fast cards for that.
Yeah. And so these are available now? They're shipping now?
Yeah, we've had stock here all week. Feels like we've been here all week the last few days. And if the retailers don't have any physical stock left, then we obviously will be honouring orders throughout the duration of the show, being the last day. So yeah, but it's now in distribution. Yes.
Lovely. And what's the price on this one?
The price on the camera is $1,999, so just a penny short of $2,000. But again, when you see the range that we have the A7R Mark III and its predecessors for resolution. We have the A9 for sport, the A7S Mark II and 1 for sensitivity, incredible low light, and now the all-rounder or basic model at a price that when you look at the market and you see what's in the market with other competitors, this really stands out as a camera that, maybe if people haven't decided to look at Sony or thinking of making this switch from DSLR or another mirrorless brand, then this is a very serious camera to look at.
Brilliant. Well, thank you very much, Mark.
Thank you for the time.
I'm John Aldred. We're still at the photography show. I'm going to keep looking around, and we'll see you next time.
If you like some more cool movies, you can check out this one, and you can subscribe to us down here.